So the adventure begins. The boys hop on a plane to old Mexico in search of their long-lost amigo Martiez. They touch down in Oaxaca, throw their bicicletas together, then hit the town to sample as much mezcal as possible with no worries about tomorrow.
I'm like trying to make
The night hit a little harder than planned, but they woke up, grabbed the hair of the perro, and hit the road. Híjole, güey, that's a flat. But it was time to set up camp and rest up for tomorrow. They rise with the sun to the smell of agave smoking, roasters, Google Doodle doing, and off they go again. After a long day of riding, they stumble upon a small village with a world-famous cocinera, Tia Lancha, where they have a feast of tlayudas, frijoles, and cervezas. Then set up camp and pass out. The morning comes quickly. They hit the tienda for breakfast beers and ice cream. Then full speed ahead to Puerto Escondido. A very long, hot, uphill day of riding has the boys and bikes on their last legs. Oh yeah! Out of nowhere, Martiez pops up.
Es que no sabes cuánto duele el amor. No sabes cuánto duele en el corazón. Es que el efecto que causaste en mí.
This is where the story gets blurry. All we know is the boys wake up in a beach paradise known as Puerto Escondido, where they remain till this day, drinking Resol Mezcal and waiting for Martinez's return for the next adventure.